Hello, Level 2 students. This is Unit 1, Lesson 6, page 21. Good readers can share a summary about what they read using concise words rather than going on and on with a string of details. The IVF topic sentence provides a format that is an effective way to begin a summary paragraph. First, let's identify the heading of the first section and record it in the first column, and that is at the crime scene. Okay, we have to select one of the verbs from the word bank, and the best one will be explains, and we have to finish our thought. How trace evidence is found and preserved at the crime scene. I know this writing is very small. Hopefully you can see, and I'll read this again. At the crime scene explains how trace evidence is found and preserved at the crime scene. Let's focus on the second section, back at the lab. Okay. What do we do first? We identify the item. We write the heading, which we did, and the next step is choose a strong verb. We need to choose a different verb this time, so I'll pick provides. So back at the lab, provides, and we're finishing the thought, information about how forensic scientists use trace evidence and DNA to convict famous criminals. Okay, so I'll read this to you again. Back at the lab provides information about how forensic scientists, I misspelled scientists, use trace evidence and DNA to convict famous criminals. Third one, the third heading was the power of forensic science. If I misspell something and I don't correct it, and I'm not correcting it, please apologize me, as the writing is so small I can barely see it. So the power of forensic science. And when you write your own sentences, I'm not gonna look for perfect spelling because I can make mistakes too. So the third one, the power of forensic science. I pick another verb. I'm not gonna do explain and provides, but I can pick teaches. So the power of forensic science teaches, and I'm finishing the thought about the role of trace evidence and DNA in proving the guilt of one man and the innocence of another. And the last one, the last heading is the science of catching criminals, and I'm picking another verb, tells how forensic science is used to solve crimes. Okay, and that's it. When you're done with this page, make sure you submit it to me. Either make a picture, take a picture, or submit it using the ebook. Thank you.